What's up, guys? I'll be doing my first and probably only performance mod of the SLS, which will be these AFE air filters. Now, really not much of a difference in terms of power, probably nothing honestly, but they do provide more flow and overall better for the engine. I have a set of these in the C63 as well, and we'll be getting some for the ML soon. My idea here is just to replace the stock ones, which probably have not been changed. Well, actually, they have not been changed. And for these, so this car has about 15,000 miles now. It's an M159, which is the little bit better version of the M156 in the SLS and the GT3 cars. So I'm going to be removing these stock filters out, which should be pretty easy. In fact, easier in my opinion than the M156, and then putting these guys in. Got the cover off with just, 5 T25 screws, and also I did that one hose clamp at the back for the air intake tube, unplugged the MAF sensor, and then here's the new filter right over here. Exactly the same as what I put in the C63 over here, just for the SLS, the bigger size. Should be cool. As you can see, these ones are pretty old. I did make a previous video, I'll put that right here, but I made a previous video of me taking this apart and just getting a good look at all of them, but this thing is pretty dirty. Another side by side. Kind of funny this being here again, and there was one last time I opened this up as well, which was like a few months ago, but made a previous video on this. This is the original filter for sure. Is what it is. That is trash now. Now we got the brand new AFE one to slap in there. I'm going to take that B out real quick and then I'll go ahead and put that one in. Got the new filter in, I'm going to do the same thing on that side, put it back together, and then don't worry, I will have a cold start in the next clip. And that's it, guys. Pretty short video, I know, but I just want to show you guys what I was doing to this car. But now it's time to take it out to the canyons and properly use this car as it should be used.